Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete a page template in Shopify. So as you can see, I have accidentally created a template that I did not want in my products page. Now let me show you how you can delete this template. So in order for doing that, first you have to remember the name that the template has. Click on the three dots over here, then go to the code editor and now write down the exact name that the template is. As you can see, it has just appeared bag_1.json. But there is one important thing: if it is .json, it's okay to delete the template, but in any case, if it is .liquid, do not delete that template. Moving on, in order for you to just simply delete the template, you can just simply click on the trash icon over here, then delete file, and it will be deleted. Now if you go back and check it, then as you can see, it just disappeared. It is now deleted. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.